Section 23.3, Geologic Time. So when we talk about the geologic time scale, we're referring to the timeline for the history of Earth. The Earth's been around for approximately 4.5 billion years, and we divide the Earth's history into different and very unequal parts. Most of these divisions are determined based on changes in major life forms. What we call an eon is the largest unit of geologic time. We're currently living in the Phanerozoic eon, which began approximately 543 million years ago with the presence of what we would call visible life. The Phanerozoic eon is broken down into three different eras. The Paleozoic era, which is ancient life, the Mesozoic era, which is middle life, and the Cenozoic era, which is recent life. In the Paleozoic era, you find life and fossils that are very different from anything that's alive right now. In the Mesozoic era, there's some mixture between older things that are very different and newer things that are similar to organisms that exist now. And in the Cenozoic era, we find fossils that are very similar to modern organisms. The eras are further broken down into periods. Periods are the fundamental units that represent the major changes in life forms. Periods are further divided into subperiods and epochs. Now, in order to figure out exactly where fossils and rocks fall in these different eras and periods, we use radiometric dating. That will give us the exact age of these particular fossils, and it helps us to determine where these timescale divisions actually are. Most of Earth's existence occurred before the Phanerozoic eon, in a time called Precambrian time. Precambrian time accounts for pretty much the first 4 billion years of Earth's history. And so here you can see the Earth's history broken down into its different periods. You can see primarily that Precambrian time takes up a majority of Earth's history, with the three eras only taking up this small slice. You can also see that each of the eras are broken into numerous periods, each of these correlating with a different change in life forms. Over the next few sections, we'll discuss each of these eras in detail.